Congratulations, new homeowners. We get it. You are excited to scroll through your Pinterest board to find your next DIY project. But, not every problem should be completed on your own. Damaged foundation walls and water leakages are problems that should be left to the professionals. These walls are what supports your entire home. It is not a project that should be tackled alone. The Basement Guys offer top-of-the-line solutions for all foundation issues. We repair cracks in foundation walls, bowing, water leakages, and more. We also offer free estimates for any problem you may be experiencing in your home. To get your own estimate and get started on your foundation repair, contact the Basement Guys today. Let us transform your basement from unusable and bland to a functional, beautiful space. Contact the Basement Guys for all of your basement needs.